Ito yung bahay ng isang pamilya. Makikita nyo dito yung higaan nila is mga balat ng baka na pinatuyo. And ngayon, binibigyan nila tayo ng opportunity para masilip kung ano yung laman ng kanilang bahay dito. Tara, samahan nyo akong silipin natin, be.
Kaya naman tinidiis ng mga babae ito at minsan sila pa ang nagpumilit na latinguhin sila.
Hi, be! It's me, Francis Candine. Welcome back to my channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa Africa, dito pa rin sa Ethiopia. And for this video, be, abangan nyo ang aking adventure dahil pumunta mismo ako dito sa Omo Valley para diskubrihin at tuklasin ang kanilang napakagandang kultura. Samahan nyo ako sa aking adventure. Ako si Francis Candine. Tara, let's go! Be, sobrang swerte natin kasi today masasaksihan natin yung kanilang ceremony dito. It doesn't happen all the time and naswertehan lang talaga natin. Dito nila ginagawa yung kanilang ceremony malapit sa may river kasi sila ay naniniwala sa river, na ang river ay nagbibigay ng buhay sa kanila. Ano sila ang religion nila is matatawag natin na animist.
Habang ang karamihan sa Ethiopia, be, ay Orthodox Christian o Muslim, dito, be, sa Omo Valley, iba ang kwento. Mas marami dito ang animist o Wakefana sa Oromo language. Ibig sabihin, naniniwala sila na ang kalikasan ay may espiritu. Naniniwala sila na ang puno, ilog, hayop, halaman, ulan, at lupa ay may kaluluwa. Hindi sila mga pagan at hindi rin sila basta sumasamba sa mga anito at anita. Naniniwala sila na ang kalikasan ay may kaluluwa at dapat itong irespeto dahil ang mga tao at kalikasan ay laging konektado.
So now here they do some ceremonies, like the whipping ceremony, the maza, the recent jumpers.
Okay.
The ones they did recently jumping, they call maza.
Maza.
So they come here around and they do the whipping ceremony also.
I don't know what's the whipping ceremony. I know the bull. Is it the bull jumping?
In the bull jumping,
The bull jumping.
under also there's a whipping.
Okay.
The man whip the women.
Okay.
So Hammer women known by they are the strongest women
Okay.
in the world. They are the strongest women, miss. They show their deep love for the tribe by getting whipped, and they put scare here. So they show their love for the tribe.
So this is the Scar tribe?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so they are the strongest woman in the world.
Okay, wow.
The strongest woman in the world. Hammer tribe.
So ito na ba yung Hammers tribe? Sila yung sikat sa pagkakaroon ng mga maraming peklat. So yung sugat nila is ginagawa, parang it's sort of tattoo, pero ang gamit nila is peklat. So ang ceremony talaga kasi nila is yung sa bull jumping. Sa bull jumping, it's a way of para kumbaga sa atin, pag natuli na, binata na. Sa kanila, pag naka-bull jump na, ibig sabihin binata na. Hindi ko na alam anong gagawin nila ditong style. Pero ang pagkakaalam ko doon is yung pagtatabi-tabihin yung mga baka, tapos kailangan yung paa niya merong tae ng baka, tapos tutulay siya sa baka para pag natawid niya yun, ibig sabihin, welcome to adulthood na siya. Binata na. Pero hindi ko alam kung ngayon yung gagawin natin ngayon, no? Although meron pa sila ngayon isang ceremony yung pag-whip. So lalatiguhin daw yung babae hanggang sa magsugat yung likod, tapos yung peklat na yon, ayun na yung souvenir. Na sabihin, she's a strong woman. Who's gonna jump?
Here, this guy.
Okay.
See, he's naked.
Yeah,
he's naked. He's staying more than 2 months like naked like this.
2 months.
Yeah, you don't wear any clothes. Only cover this part. So he show for the market time in the village like 2 months something. He walk like naked like this. And he show he will jump soon.
So,
Look here. the sign is here.
Aha.
It look like a dick structure, like a man.
Okay, okay.
So this means I am ready now.
Okay.
I am a man, you know. Like Aksum, you know the Aksum in
The
Tigray.
capital.
In
the Aksum.
Tigray.
The
Big statue,
Aha.
like a dick structure. That
Oh.
means it's a man country.
Okay.
A man are the boss.
Aha.
In Europe, female,
Aha.
woman boss.
Aha.
Different, you know.
Aha.
So it's a man country. The man can marry 3 wives, 4 wives,
Wow.
and he's the boss in the house.
Is in my understanding, is it like they will put the
Cows.
together and then he
Together,
will walk?
and
He
jump.
will have shit on his feet and walk.
Walk on them.
Okay.
Yeah, and like
correct.
maybe 10 cows,
Aha.
13 cows,
Aha.
depend on the, you know,
Aha.
agriculture.
And then after that, he's a man.
He's a man.
Aha.
After, he can marry a woman.
Okay.
You know, like even sometimes his father engage for him.
Aha.
Father sometimes engage also.
Aha.
Engage someone for him early, then he take that girl.
I see. Only him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only one.
Okay.
Only, yeah. So his family arrange a ceremony.
Aha. And all of these are his
His friends.
family, friends?
Yeah, family in one village.
Okay.
Relatives, you know.
So silipin naman natin ba yung seremonyas para dun sa mga babae. Yung mga babae naman, ito yung the girl is for the whipping, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The girls, they show.
So it happens all the time?
No. This
I mean, together? Or we're just lucky that both are happening?
This is like happening.
Uh-huh.
When someone is like ready, you know. Someone is getting ready.
Uh-huh.
They do the ceremony.
Aha.
So not like every day.
Aha.
Not every day. Maybe in the weeks one time, or two time in the weeks. You know.
Aha.
You know, like depend on the village.
Aha.
Sometimes this village, sometimes another far village.
Okay.
Yeah, different village. You see how they take shower from the water. Bayo. You see how they take water. You know.
So-
Take shower.
They dig until the water comes?
Yeah.
Is this a river?
Yeah.
Okay.
They dig it.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. They dig until the water comes. You know.
Mm.
So it's a place now to shower and drinking also.
Aha. So, itong nilalakaran namin, be, isa tong river talaga. Pero dahil tuyot siya ngayon, hinuhukay nila para magkaroon ng tubig, panligo, tsaka inumin. Their immune system is very strong.
Yeah. Here no, like germs, no germs.
No germs here. And guys,
They feel better after drinking this.
Aha.
Better. Oh, very good.
It's refreshing to them. And be, ang paalala ko, be, ha, hindi lahat ng itim na tao is pare-pareho. Hindi lahat katutubo. Okay? Hindi lahat sila pare-pareho. So yung mga kasama natin minsan, magkakamukha lang sila, pero hindi sila pare-pareho, ha?
فرتشالني عند البرة ما تفري الناس بدم تزلل
Wait, how is that happening? Because they are coming from different places.
Yeah.
And how did they know that this is the day?
Yeah, like giving a stick like this.
Aha.
So they will be like, this is day 1,
Aha.
this is day 2,
Uh-huh.
day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. So they give the stick
Aha.
for the guy. So the guy knows after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days.
Uh-huh.
So today night he cut this one.
Okay.
The next day he cut this one.
Okay.
The next
Countdown.
day he cut this one.
Uh-huh.
Just cutting. The next
Okay.
day cut this one.
So when they give the stick, it's
The
all
next day-
equal.
Yeah.
They know.
They know.
Okay.
Then the last one, this.
It means-
remaining. So today
That's it.
they will
Okay.
jump in.
Wow.
So
Amazing.
no calendar.
Okay.
Without technology.
Aha.
Yeah,
So
but-
amazing.
Yeah.
They're so smart.
Yeah.
Very smart.
The scare in the back is after the whipping. You see, before she did many bull jumping.
Oh wow.
So that show she have a big love for her tribe. You know.
Oh wow.
So the scar is showing like she have a deep love because she did a lot of whipping. Huh? all they come together
Uh-huh.
and they
To
make-
witness the new one.
Yeah.
The new- okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they make painting, the weeping.
Ah,
So when they come, all the program more hot.
okay.
So they are waiting.
Okay, okay. So dito be, yung mga tao, wala silang konsepto ng anong araw na. Hindi nila alam yung Lunes, Martes, Miyerkules hanggang Linggo. Wala. Ang alam lang nila, today. So they are the best example of living in the moment. Yung nakaraan lang talaga sa kanila. Yung future, hindi nila alam kasi wala silang concept of clock. Meron silang time pero walang clock. Meron silang daytime and nighttime. Pero wala silang alas 9, alas 8. Na-amaze lang ako sa kanila kasi kahit wala silang concept of time, no? Nagawa nilang magsama-sama dito. Ang galing. So ito be, unti-unti na nagsisimula yung kanilang program. Tinatawag na nila lahat ng family members nila para sa kanilang ceremony. So ngayon, sinisimulan niya ng mga babae na nagsasayaw hanggang sa makumpleto ang lahat ng mga family na invited.
Sa nakaraang vlog be, nalaman natin na ang buhok ng mga misis dito sa Hammer Tribe ay nilalagyan nila ng putik. At alam ko marami rin sa inyo na curious tungkol dito. Kaya naman be, nakipagtsikahan talaga ako sa kanila. Nalaman ko be na dahil ang buhok nila ay merong putik, hindi nila to binabasa. So kapag nag-asawa na sila, hindi na nila binabasa ang kanilang buhok, kundi mawawala at matutunaw yung putik at yung fat na nakalagay dito. At be, matrabaho itong hairstyle nila. Hindi lang isang tao ang gumagawa nito. Minsan 3, 4, 5. At inaabot to be ng maraming oras para magawa. At oo be, medyo mabigat din talaga to sa ulo. Dahil may putik at meron tong fat ng baka, di ba? At kung tinatanong nyo, Kuya Francis, anong amoy? Medyo may kakaibang amoy ito dahil sa pinaghalong taba ng hayop at saka ng baka. Tapos yung usok ng insenso.
فيا يلا تقولوا فيا نو ينجي فيا سلين فيا You can't touch yeah no problem yeah with this side in the front touch in the front yeah
It's like rubber now.
yeah
It's nice.
yeah you see look on her neck is from watch
Oh, this one.
from the watch yeah they make from the watch
Bougie.
yeah
That's so fancy.
yeah
I asked her.
متى أمباري متى yeah she look she's sniffing tobacco sniff tobacco
Tobacco?
for sniffing tobacco for sniffing
Ah.
yeah look how she do yeah they put it
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Tobacco.
yeah bro keep something okay
Ha? Okay, yeah.
you see how I put it yeah
I try to sniff it.
yeah look
Wow. Really strong. Okay.
look for his hair on his hair
Oh, this is the hair.
that one they put the clay for the man yeah
Oh, wow.
yeah then they put on that the hole to put the feather they stick the feather stick
Nagsinghot din ako ng kanilang ng kanilang powder tabako. So be, ayan be, suminghot ako nung kanilang tabako dito, grabe. Parang amoy tabako din naman be, yung Yossi. Pag pinulbos mo siya, singhutin mo, iba yung sensation din niya. Parang, in fairness. Dito be, pag anak mo babae, it means yayaman ka. Kasi para pakasalan yung anak mo, kailangan ang kapalit nun is napakaraming baka. Kunyari, yung magaganda dito sa lugar nila, sa standard nila, ang value niya is 100 na baka. Parang I know sa mga feminists dyan, bakit po gano'n na ang value ng kababaihan dyan is nakadepende sa number ng baka. Pero gano'n talaga sa kultura kasi nila. So, natutuwa yung mga pamilya, especially yung mga tatay, kapag ang anak nila ay babae. Kasi alam nila, pag dalaga na yon, ang kapalit nun is napakaraming baka. And napakaraming baka is yung sukatan ng yaman sa lugar nila. Don't get me wrong, gusto rin nila ng lalaki, pero yung lalaki siya yung nagpoprotekta sa mga baka. Yung nagpaparami ng mga baka is yung mga babae. Kali, what is the standard of beauty for them? Like, what is beautiful for them? To have 100 cattle?
Beautiful depend on the months they like.
For example, for you, what is the... Do you think you have the same standard with girls with them or no?
Yeah, similar. Like
So,
the face structure.
okay, you like them, okay.
Yeah, the face structure.
Okay,
you know?
same.
Yeah,
Same.
and the hair size.
Aha.
What they like, you know.
Ah.
Yeah. So the beauty girl, she's more costly also.
Ah.
Yeah. And mostly also warrior person, Mary, you know.
So dito be, mayroong iba't ibang paraan ng pag-aasawa. Medyo na-overwhelm ako sa culture nila, no? Kasi pwedeng hindi ka pa pinapanganak, naka-reserve ka na sa mapapangasawa mo.
For example, your father,
Aha.
from the beginning,
Aha.
he choose for you a woman, like a girl.
Also, the father chooses the girl.
Like engaged, you know.
Okay.
Like even she's in the belly.
Wow.
Like in the belly, he engaged for you.
Wow.
This girl, like if she born, it become a daughter for my son, you say.
Okay, reserve.
They deal with the family deal.
Wow.
You understand?
Aha. When they are pregnant, they don't know also what's inside because no doctor, nothing. They only know when it's
They know when she's pregnant
aha.
from,
From the natural way.
natural way.
Okay. So dito ba yung pangalawang paraan ng pag-aasawa is pwedeng through abduction. So pwede nilang kidnapin yung babae. Kunyari naliligo lang siya, bigla siyang kikidnapin, tapos nanakawin yung babae, gagahasain. So pag naghahasa na siya, wala na magagawin pamilya, either tatanggapin nilang na babayaran or kung palaban at warrior yung family, doon na magsisimula ang gulo.
But even the warrior family, the warrior family, they don't do. They're afraid because war starts.
Okay, it can start war.
Yeah, sometimes war starts.
Okay.
If the family is warrior, a lot of bullets, a lot of gun, problem.
Okay.
You say why, you don't respect me. But if the family are not really warrior, no,
It's fine. Nothing can happen.
Just they deal.
Just deal, make,
Yeah.
buy, pay
Yeah,
cattles.
yeah. That's why machine gun important.
They have machine gun.
Yeah, important. But which people?
Even that, sometimes they
Kenyan tribe. They take
the Kenyan tribe, they try.
girls. Because Ethiopian girl more beautiful.
Dito naman bes, sinisimula naman ng mga kababaihan dito yung kanilang ritual para sa weeping ceremony. Para sa seremonyas na ito be, nilalatig o tinahataw ang mga kababaihan ng mga maza o yung mga lalaking nakatawid na sa baka. Ginagawa nila ito para ipakita ang katapatan nila sa pamilya nila at syempre isa rin tong sukatan ng kanilang katatagan. Pero ang mas malalim na kahalagahan nitong weeping ceremony para sa mga kababaihan be ay utang na loob. Mas malaking sugat, mas malalim na peklat, mas malaking assurance mula sa lalaki. Kung anumang hirap ang danasin ng babae, itong kamag-anak nilang lalaking humataw sa kanila ay dapat na andyan para tulungan sila. Yung mga peklat nila ang magsisilbing resibo para hindi sila tanggihan at obligado silang tulungan at protektahan habang buhay. Kaya naman tinitiis ng mga babae ito at minsan sila pa ang nagpumilit na latiguhin sila. Kaya makikita nyo sa seremonyas na ito, kahit anong sakit, tinitiis ng mga babae nang nakangiti, masaya at sila pa mismo ang nagmamakaawa na latiguhin sila ng mga lalaki.
So ayun na guys, ayan na, nandito na sila. Ito na yung whip, ayan na yung whip na gagamitin para, ayan na, pinag-agawan. The whip, yeah.
The stick, they are fighting.
Aha, the whip over.
I want the whip.
Okay.
I want the whip. Imagine.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
That's why they are the strongest women.
Aha.
They don't afraid, you know?
Aha.
Even they fight for the stick. Come video.
They're fighting to be whipped?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
They are fighting to get the stick. Because
Aha.
that's the stick they get whipped.
Okay.
No, that's why they are fighting. No, I want.
Aha. So dito ba ngayon sa likod ko, makikita nyo kung saan nag-aagawan sila para makuha yung latigo. Kasi pag nalatigo sila, ganun nila may express kung gano'n nila kamahal yung tribo nila. Ay nakikita nyo, pinag-aagawan ng mga babae yung latigo mula doon sa kanilang tatay. Oh my God, ang daming latigo. Oh my God, grabe.
Come closer. Come.
Ito guys, makikita nyo oh.
Come.
Wow. That is really crazy.
Yeah, man.
They're trying to get it so they will be whipped.
Yeah, now you will see, you know. After they go to give for the mother, the mother will give whip.
Dito ba, makikita nyo sa likod yung mga babae, sasabihan nila yung mga lalaki. Itong grupo ng mga lalaking ito, sila yung bagong kakabinata lang. Sila yung mga tumawid sa baka recently and sila yung hahataw ng latigo sa mga babae. And yung mga babae dito, sila yung nagrereklamo ng ano nang hinihintay nyo, latiguhin nyo na kami.
Para sa mga kalalakihan, hindi rin ganoon kadali dahil alam nila yung bigat at responsibilidad ng paglatigo nila sa mga babae. Kumbaga sa Pilipinas, ang bawat hataw na ito ay sandugo o blood compact. Isang pangako na handang tanggapin ng mga kababaihan ang sakit at handang ibigay ng lalaki ang kanyang tulong, lalo na pag nabalo ang babae dito.
my God, guys, so pinag-aagawan siya. Aagawan na siya. Aha, aha. Aha. Oh my God.
Come, come.
Ooh! Ouch! Ah! Oh! Oh my God, guys, so pinag-aagawan siya. Pinag-aagawan na siya.
Take him, the father.
Aha, aha.
They don't want. They say,
Aha.
we want him to eat more.
Oh my God.
Come, sir, come.
Ito, Beo, tingnan nyo. Nilalati ko nung lalaking babae. Dito sa kanila, paraan yan ng pag-express ng babae kung gano'n niya kamahal yung kanilang tribo at handa siyang tanggapin yung hataw ng latigo. Pak! Ay so! Grabe! Pak! Pak! Ouch!
Let me know, okay, if you want video or something.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, okay. Wow! Pak! 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 Ouch!
Next video.
Oh, shit.
Go, bro. You can go close
Ha?
if you want, okay?
Grabe, be. Kita yung mga...
Next video, go.
Oh my God.
Go, another one.
Oh my God.
Because the top very sharp.
Aha.
Yeah, then check your skin.
Grabe, be. This is so much love.
Yeah, man. A lot of yeah before.
Very strong. Malapit tayo, guys.
Now they do a
What are you doing now?
ceremony like from the father.
Aha.
Heritage they take like a black voodoo. All steps like blessing. They paint.
Who? The guy?
Yeah, the mother.
The maza.
Yeah, you can make video.
At ito naman may ginagawa nila dito, ito naman ay para maproteksyonan yung ating maza laban sa masamang espiritu. Dito be sa Hamar Tribe, naniniwala sila na itong moment na to ay very critical. Ang ating maza be ay pwedeng kapitan ng malas o sumpa mula sa inggit ng mga masasamang kaaway or masamang espiritu. Kaya naman nilalagyan siya be ng mga disenyo or paint sa mukha na nagsisilbing spiritual na armor para hindi siya mabate or hindi siya ma-jinx sa kanyang pagtalon. Itong body paint na ginagawa sa kanya ay madalas ginagahin nila sa mga mababangis na hayop o kaya sa mga simbolo ng kagitingan para sa kanila. At syempre dahil siya ang bida, ginagawa nila na dapat agaw atensyon itong kanyang ayos. Ginagamit nila sa pag-body paint dito is uling, yung puting lupa at saka yung pulang lupa o yung pulang putik.
Actually, be, ito yung isa siguro sa pinaka-wild experience ko ng paano nangyayari isang kultura. It's a wild culture. Diba, hindi natin maisip na sa ibang parte ng mundo merong ganitong paraan ng pagmamahal sa kanilang tribo o kanilang pamilya. She's so happy. Grabe, ang saya-saya nila, oh. Tinan mo, nagtotoro-torotot pa sila habang nilalatigo sila. Be, tingnan nyo gano'n sila kasaya, di ba? She's so happy. Grabe, be, sobra akong na-overwhelm sa napanood ko. And nilarespeto natin yung kultura nila talaga. Actually, be, sabi ko nga, wala kayong marig sa akin. Papakita ko yung yung kultura nila kasi gusto kong matuto tayo. Natututo ako, natututo yung mama ko. Actually, parang sasabi ko nga sa mga videos ko, somehow itong mga ginagawa kong travel, it's me doing it for myself as well. Na parang gusto ko nanonood ng ganito pero wala naman ako nakapanood ng mga ganito sa Pilipinas, sa TV. Kumbaga dati mayroong Pinoy MD pero hindi naman siya regular. Yung biyahe ni Drew, hindi ko alam kung nagawa ito ng biyahe ni Drew, pero at least nagawa na ni biyahe ni Francis Candier. At saka, be, so parang pagkakatiwalaan sila kasi syempre iniisip ko baka may mandukot. Wala naman, bait naman sila. Ay. Namusin natin sila sa sasakyan. Salam no. Hi.
Faya.
Faya.
Miss, how are you?
Faya. Good. Good.
Faya.
Faya. Okay. What is that language, Faya?
Hammer language.
Hammer
Like
language.
Barjo Ime is thank you for
Okay.
them. Faya is like
Borjoyme. Borjoyme. Okay. Thank you. So it's okay. Sobrang ganda ng experience na to, guys. Mahal siya pero somehow sulit kasi wala akong maisip kung saan ko pa pwedeng ma-experience to. At ito yung ancient life ng Africa na hanggang ngayon andito pa rin. Sabi ko nga, maski yung maliit na concept, kahit maliit na bagay lang na konsepto ng oras, wala sila.
Wow.
Wow. Nakita nyo gaano ka-exclusive yung experience natin, di ba? Halos walang ibang turista. Actually, ako, tsaka mayroong dalawa. Kami lang. Amazing. Wow. So ngayon, guys, lilipat naman kami sa panibagong lugar. Kami nakasasakyan, pero yung mga tao kanina na naglalatigo, yung mga locals, tumakbo lang sila. Siyempre, alam naman natin, hindi kaya silang sabayan. Tsaka yung mga turista talaga gamitin para bayad. So ngayon, papunta na tayo doon sa kabilang ceremony. Yung kabilang ceremony naman kung saan tatawid yung lalaki at mga 10 baka ganyan. Ayun yung tatawag nilang bull jumping ceremony. Okay, malabas ito yung langaw. So, naglalakad na naman tayo sa tuyong ilog. The house it switch.
What you like food? Most you like chicken?
Chicken, fish.
Nice.
Yeah. What about you?
Me, I love injera.
Injera, yeah.
Ethiopian Indian food, injera, shiro.
Yeah, I like shiro as well.
And dorowot.
Yeah, I like dorowat.
Yeah.
But sometimes very spicy.
Yeah, me from dorowot.
Uh-huh.
Eat meat.
Sa sauce. The sauce.
The sauce
Yeah,
is
yeah.
thick, man.
Yeah,
Yeah. And gampo Ethiopia, chachapsa. Chachapsa.
yeah.
It's very nice chachapsa. Yogurt, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah. And gampo, like porridge gampo.
Uh-huh.
Very nice. With berbere, eh?
How long is your hair? You kept.
My hair?
Yeah, how long? How many years did you keep it to be like that?
After Corona.
Oh,
After
just
Corona.
almost 6 years.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
So I cut sometime, cut.
Okay.
To be very long.
But it's
no?
nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Dreadlocks.
Yeah. This is a sign of home of Lion of Judah. You know, it's a home of Lion of Judah.
No.
Lion of Judah. That's
The line of Judah.
yeah. So this is a lion of place, a lion
This
of Judah
place.
place, Ethiopia, from David's throne start.
Ah,
So it's a symbol of like a lion.
it is.
Yeah,
Very
like
much.
lion hairs, you know.
Yeah.
We Ethiopian have a black lion. So symbol of lion.
Uh-huh.
So symbol of I'm Rasta.
Yes.
You know, like a symbol of like Rasta.
Rasta.
Yeah, like you know, Chinese like all religions they have symbol. Yeah. Jewish they put something. Something they have a.
This is for the Ethiopia.
This is for Orthodox also.
Orthodox.
Symbol. So this is for Rasta symbol.
Okay. So medyo may pagkaunting layo din tong nilakad namin guys papunta doon sa ceremony ng bull jumping and sobrang daming langaw dito. Nakakairita na yung mga langaw. Ang dami pa naman ditong jebs ng mga baka. Pakalat-kalat, pampataba talaga ng lupa. Ito, mga babae dito walang suoto na bratinela. Ito ba yung isang sample ng bahay nila? And ito yung kanilang bakod para hindi sila lapitan ng mga hayop. Sobrang daming arnabe, oh. Me. Sobrang daming ng mga kambing at baka dito. Imagine niyo na lang din sobrang daming arna dito. Pakitag si Ernaline. Charot. Okay. Wow, definitely they are very rich be. Sa dami lang ng alaga nila dito. For sure. Oh.
عارف له يا ما هيك في رب عندك يا ولو بريسبكت አድርገው አንተ ማን በቃ ሪስፔክት ነው ሌላ ምን አባቴ ጥቁር ሞልቶ የለ እንዴ ነው የምትል በአመት አንድ ጠብቅ ነው
So andito na tayo ngayon guys sa isang local village. And ngayon, ito yung bahay ng isang pamilya. Makikita nyo dito yung higaan nila is mga balat ng baka na pinatuyo. And ngayon, binibigyan nila tayo ng opportunity para masilip kung ano yung laman ng kanilang bahay dito. Tara, samahan nyo ako, silipin natin, be. Bayaw.
like bayro ini
Bayaw. Okay. Ito guys, pasok tayo sa loob. Bayaw. Okay. Ayan guys, nakapasok tayo sa kanilang bahay. This is the kitchen?
kitchen house.
Okay. Oops, sorry.
Oh,
Their food? Beef?
no, it's meat.
Oh, yeah. Cow?
Cow.
Like a cow. Oh.
Not 100%.
Okay.
Under construction still now. Yeah, you can see, you know. When they are finished more, it will be even roof. The roof will be more, you know. Yeah, this one.
Actually, you can stand.
New house.
Wow, this is new. That's why. So ito guys yung loob ng bahay nila dito. They sleep here.
Yeah, sleeping here. Mama is sleeping here.
Aha.
Baba nothing there.
Aha.
The father different place. And for the children and mother different side. Yeah. Here
How many people can sleep here?
until like 7 or 8.
Ah, okay, okay. Aha.
Asayo lipsi zaga hanging mera butul lipsa chom. Is this leather?
Aha.
Leather is the back side
Aha.
for the back side.
So this is what they like pillow? What's
Pardon?
that?
It's the back side, the leather. They
Yeah,
use
like the laser
Yeah.
from the cow skin.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Leather.
Yeah,
leather.
from both skin.
Ah, okay, okay.
They wear it. You will see like
Ah, okay, they wear it.
and then this one in front of.
Ah, okay.
This one the short one in front of, and
Uh-huh.
this one the long one
For the back.
back
the
side.
back, yeah.
Ah, nice outfit.
And you see where they cook.
Aha.
You see the calabash over there.
Aha.
So it's like they are semi-nomadic.
Ah.
Hammer tribe, semi-nomadic means they stay for many years in one place.
Ah.
Not fast.
But they still go somewhere.
Yeah.
It's nomadic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
semi-nomadic.
Ah, okay.
And
Nice.
after 4 or 3 years,
Uh-huh.
they will be changing other place.
Ah.
They will be stay like 4 or 5 years stay
Like,
here.
but like depend on what happening, you know.
Yeah.
If
Ah.
people get disease,
Mm.
if someone like many people get dying,
Aha.
they
They.
change it.
They're
Ah.
changing other place.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Most time when they died,
Mhm.
they're changing other place.
Okay, I see. Wow. Okay, I'll just take a video here on my phone. So now guys, we are here inside a hut. Ito yung kubo ng mga bahay ng mga tribe dito sa Ethiopia. Makikita natin yung loob. Ito yung sahig. Ito yung balat ng baka na ginagamit nilang higaan sa kanilang pagtulog. Ayun yung kanilang banig. Ito yung mga damit din nila. Ay, payaw. Payaw. And dito sa likod ko naman, makikita mo yung kanilang kusina din. Dito sila nagluluto. Ito yung pagkain nila ngayon. Actually, yun naman yung sinilip ko na meron silang baka. Shala, mayaman sila dahil marami silang cattle. It's so good. And dito pa yung chicken, oh. This is not dinner.
No, they-
No. Not yet. Not yet. So yeah, this house is still under construction. Kaya hindi pa siya tapos. And dahil sa lifestyle nila na semi-nomadic,
nomadic tribe.
nakatira sila dito for few years pero umaalis sila pag maraming nagkakasakit or may namamatay dito sa lugar nila. Barjoy me. Thank you. Barjoy me. I know 2 words now. Payaw. Barjoy me.
Baru maybe God blessing.
Baro me.
God bless.
So, payaw.
Payaw. Baru ime.
Bayro ime.
Yeah.
Bayro ime.
Payaw, baru ime.
Bayro ime.
Baru ime means God bless you.
And then,
Payaw
the thank you. The thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Baru ime.
Bayro ime also.
Bayro ime.
Bayro ime.
Baru.
Okay.
Yidine means
Yidine.
Yidine means I go.
Okay. Yidine.
Inta yidine. Me go.
Mi intay.
Go.
Mi
Me go.
Okay.
Inta yidine
Intay idine.
means me go.
Intay idine. So, itong bahay na to, be, bagong-bago pa siya kasi wala pa siyang fence o yung bakod. So, ang sabi nila, baka yung mister daw niya, actually first wife siya kasi meron siyang tawag doon, meron siyang leash. So, dito, pag first wife ka, meron kang leash, matatanggal lang yun pag namatay yung mister mo. And then, pakiramdam nila, meron siyang second wife kasi baka ginagawa ibang bahay. So technically, this is like a festival celebration for them.
Yeah. Because look,
And how do they end the celebration?
yeah,
How do they end it? Like,
the night as a party.
okay, okay.
Yeah?
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
but the most program finish after jumping.
Okay. And then they'll just party tonight.
That's the party tonight.
Okay.
After jump, you go. Huh?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, but
So ayan, be, dumating na yung mga tao kanina. Hinihintay na lang natin yung pinaka-celebrant at saka yung mga baka para magpatuloy yung ating program. Bago sa paningin nila be itong camera, itong mga nangyayari ginagawa ko. Ayan. Ha? Yeah, I'm good.
I'm here, yeah?
Yeah, yes.
Photographer, cameraman. Yeah?
Yes.
Good?
Yes.
With the one with the glass?
No.
Huh?
No.
What? With what? With this? Oh, very beautiful. Nice, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Dobo.
Who's this?
Dobo. Dobo. Maskal. Bandra. Ethiopia. Yes, Dobo. Dobo Maskal is on this. Huh? Beta Christian. Zabir bit. Huh?
Nakikita nila yung sarili nila sa camera. Ayan.
Kalan.
Oh, here. Oh, it's connected.
Gale da. Are, oh are logas. Are usugi.
Yes, Franzi.
Yes, yes.
Enjoy, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ayan guys, so ngayon, nandito lang ako kasama ko yung mga tropa ko dito. Naghihintay kami sa mangyayari. So dito guys, ayan nakikita nyo naman na sumasayaw na sila. It's part of the ceremony. Kaya sobrang special talaga ng araw na punta natin dito kasi masasaksihan natin yung kanilang rite of passage o yung kanilang tinatawag dito na bull jumping ceremony kung saan ang lalaki ay nagiging binata na. Yes, after nitong event na to tonight, yung ating Maza tonight, binata na siya. Ibig sabihin, pwede na siyang mag-asawa. Yes, very good. Amazing.
You have the same father?
Yes, from a different mother.
Different mother. Rastafari.
Para sa bull jumping ceremony be o tinatawag nilang ukulibula sa salita nila, isa itong napaka-importanteng selebrasyon dahil ito ang magdedesisyon sa kapalaran ng isang lalaki at magpapatibay sa relasyon ng mga kababaihan sa kanilang pamilya. At kung iniisip niyo naman bakit baka ang kanyang kailangan tungtungan, naniniwala sila dito be na ang baka ang pinaka prized possession nila. Ibig sabihin, ang pagtalon o paglakad sa ibabaw nito ay pagiging dominante o pagkakaroon ng kontrol sa kanilang kabuhayan. Kaya naman kung hindi magtatagumpay ang ating masa sa pagtawid ng 4 na beses sa ibabaw ng mga baka, magiging isang malaking kahihiyan ito sa lugar nila. Hindi na siya irerespeto ng mga kababaihan at magiging sentro pa siya ng bullying.
So ngayon, Ben, dito na tayo, naghihintay lang tayo sa kanilang ceremony. Pero yung feeling na pumunta ako dito dahil sila yung attraction, pero parang ako yung naging attraction. Payaw! Payaw! So ayan, di ba sabi ko sa inyo ako yung naging attraction nila
Eh, beso. Salam.
Salam no. Salam no. Payaw. Good. Payaw means good daw eh. How are you? Good. How are you? Yeah, kamusta? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Mag-English ako, di mo maintindihan. Tagalog tayo. What's your name? Name. Okay. Paandara pa natin sila, guys. Okay. Okay. Paandara natin sila ng ating glasses, be. So, hey, Meta. Hey, Meta.
Palantaran kuat ya.
Start recording.
Siada balak. Babat.
Camera.
Kabar.
Okay. Camera. It's okay. Tama na, okay na. Yeah. Amazing. No. High five. So, ayun, nagkakwentuhan kami dito, guys, kahit hindi kami nagkakaintindihan. Alam mo sa kanila, be, ako yung nakakatawa, actually. Sample.
Sampel.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Aha. Philippines, not China. Philippines. Ang laka. Parang feeling ko ako dapat yung binyagan mamaya tumawid dun sa mga baka. Ay, sorry. Tay. Mau. Ayoko na. Ayan na, guys, andito na ang buong bayan. Andito na lahat sila. Salam no? Payaw?
Payaw.
Andito na lahat sila, be. Anong gagawin natin? Be, sinasakyan ko na lang yung joke nila, ha? Okay. Hindi nila gets yung slow mo, syempre. Ang lakas niyo pong him! Yeah, clap with him! Yeah! Andito na kasi silang lahat, guys. Tignan nyo, oh. Woo! Okay.
Siya, da, pansin siya na.
Okay, let's connect to the phone. Wait. Okay.
Raju mata.
Okay, see. Oh.
Ay, kainin.
Ayun na, look! Ayun na. Lahat sila dito guys na nanonood sa akin. Ayan. Oh. Oh. Daming langaw be ha. Ayun na.
Kakainin. Kamera kakainin no.
Oh. Ay, may phone siya oh. Wow. Ayan guys, lahat sila nai-ignorante sa camera ko dahil nakikita nila yung sarili nila sa cellphone.
Yes, sa cellphone.
Yes, well, cellphone. Wow, amazing. Hala. Ayun, nagwawala yung baka. Ayun na, nagwawala. Ala. Ay! Ayan, be.
Now he's making a blessing. Blessing. When you are you to be doing with the skin, this skin they look as like magic. Now magic. Yeah, like magic.
Okay.
And then when like doing 4 times or 3 times, and then you will be
They will wear it to him? Okay.
or jumper.
Okay.
This one is Buddha. Yeah, this one is Buddha. And then when he sits, he makes also again blessing.
Okay.
Blessing with a milk, and then with the one of the stick on the see, bigger.
Ito guys, sinusuotan na siya ng parang underwear.
And then when this guy now he sits. He sits, and then the jumper man also sits near to this one. You see? You see? When he now, and then there is rope to make rope. So the rope making circle.
Oh.
You see how they make rope circle? The guy, you see? How they make rope? That guy, you see?
Okay.
The red clothes. His rope to make circle. That rope is like magic. It's like a magic. And then you see those sticks.
They take from the grandfathers by inheritance. They believe they are animists, you know. So this, they have their own religion. They are animists. So they are not like Orthodox or Protestant. So this is their belief, how they wish good luck. So they are wishing, you know, wish, yeah? So they are wishing you good luck.
Yeah, believe them. Yeah, good luck.
For the guy, wishing a good luck, you know. After jumping, even to have a nice family, a lot of kids, to have wealthy. You understand? Yeah. But they have no Bible. They have something not. They are still they believe in the God. So they speak with their God.
By himself, God.
They are wishing. So Africans they are believer, yeah. Even say there is no God, yeah.
There's always God. It's okay. So I can see closely.
Sana barang na shirkat ايش اشكي انت ده mereka dong tak kurang sudah coba lama kurang ada waktu wajah kurang ada sih aku mana kurang wala urdo video ada aldo na dono ka tada ma ka ke bara na yaar aake wala ala bagade ne dekhi Cinque stations में वेट कौन सा वो कितना सोच के ना कहाँ है जो पूरा खलास है पैसे और रानी दे दे दो वादी वादी तो होगा पैसा ज़्यादा हो क्या क्या किला ना क्या लगा लफ्ज़ भी सुनिए चीज़ रेमी क्या लगा लफ्ज़ ना ना नहीं कुछ ना या खास कर रहे हो खास की मत आई बाबा खास करे आप तो हम जाना राना कुछ राना मत के फिर बैठ राना ये तो बोलो लगा
Sobrang dami langaw.
Poka-poka truck ka ba ita? Karam pangaw. Kakayo.
yakin आता गावचा या जरा गावचा So when you born naked, like a boy. Now also is born again, like a man. Born again, again, man. You're changing mood, it's passing to other things.
So sunset na be, and sabi nila dito, gusto nila, yung program nila, ginagawa talaga pag ganitong dapit hapon. Dahil pag nagdilim, doon pa magpapatuloy yung kanilang party. And hanggang ngayon, tuloy na tuloy pa rin yung kanilang paluan. Ay! Natakot ako, ang lapit na nung lalaki sa akin. Ayan be, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung kanilang paluan dito, oh. Oh my God, yung tenga ng babae dumudugo. Wow.
انت لما
They are, giving anesthesia for the cow.
Anesthesia?
Anesthesia. Like in the sound and in the like anesthesia.
Okay.
To make them calm.
Okay.
Yeah, not to run. Mother.
This one.
Hold the cow. Then hold the cow. Come down from that side or other side. That side. To make them. See how they hold the guy hold one cow. Look in the mouth.
Wow.
In the mouth there.
Wow.
They make holding.
Wow. Grabe. Oops.
Yeah, the front.
So, dyan ba nagtatapos yung kanilang bull jumping ceremony. And ngayon, binata na siya. Kanina nakita nyo, dumaan sila sa parang pintuan. It's a symbol ng pagpasok sa panibagong chapter ng buhay niya. At kaya siya nakahubad. Kasi naniniwala sila nung pinanganak tayo nakahubad. So ngayon, sa pagpasok niya sa panibagong chapter ng buhay niya, kailangan tatanggapin niya ito ng hubot-hubad. Actually, that was a really amazing ceremony of how he entered his manhood. It's amazing. Yeah. Now, the party begins for them and for us, the journey continues para makapagpahinga naman tayo. And syempre, be, ito is unang araw pa lang natin. Meron pa tayong 2 araw na natitira dito. So, kung nag-enjoy kayo, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at syempre mag-subscribe. Kung ano yung nagustuhan mo, paki-comment down below. And ako, be, I'm so happy. Hindi ko alam kung meron ng ibang Pilipinong YouTuber na nakagawa nito. So, I take pride for doing this. Sobrang nagdadalawang isip akong gawin ito, pero right now, honestly, I am so I'm so glad na I did it. It's amazing. Yeah.
And also, I'm sorry.
Aha.
In the morning, I told you 2,000, yeah? It's $20. I think 20 is...
Grabe, kung alam nyo lang, be. Feeling ko mahihirapan ako na ito. Francis, I know while you're editing this, nahihirapan ka. Kasi, kung alam nyo lang, guys, yung nangyari dito in person, parang hindi ko alam kung matatranslate ko sa video. Although, I know you can do it, Francis. Magaling to si Francis, eh. Self-affirmation tawag dyan, be. Mahaba-haba pa tong lalakarin namin pabalik kung saan nakapark yung sasakyan. Challenge to. But I did it. I'm so happy. So, itong part na to, be, is bonus clips natin to, no? Bonus dahil special ang vlog natin, eh. In fairness na kanilang celebration, no, matipid, walang handaan. Ayun yung ini-expect ko nito kung saan matatapos yung program. Meron bang kainan to? Meron ba silang kakatayin? Ganyan. Wala. Tipid. Siyempre, alam mo naman tayo mga Pilipino, karamihan sa inyo pupunta lang sa mga celebration dahil sa handa. Sila dito, be, wala. Ang layo pa ng nilakad. Be, mula sa puso ng Africa, dito tayo ngayon sa Ethiopia. Welcome to our Ethiopia Vlogs! Hi there! It's me, Francis Candier!
And Kay Toretto.
Samahan nyo kami dahil magta-travel kami together ni Kay Toretto sa Pakistan.
And we need joiners. No more planning and less hassle kasi kami na ang bahala sa itinerary nyo
Kami nang bahala sa'yo. We know how to navigate
and interact with the locals.
and we are here to make it fun, memorable, and smooth for you.
We designed this trip para sa mga gustong makasamang makatravel kami.
At ma-explore at ma-experience ang beauty and culture ng Pakistan. Pwedeng sumama ang group of friends, solo travelers, lovers, or partners.
Huy! Mag-message na dali at limited slots lang ang makakasama namin ni Francis Candier
Tara na, travel with me, Francis Candier.
and Kay Toretto. Let's explore the magic of Pakistan.